What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Um, my view to you. Quick introduction. You know, I'm from Harborview, Jamaica. So basically, my content will be like about, you know, start off with showing you around my community. Harborview is located in the East Rural section of Jamaica. Basically, my town is the entrance to Port Royal. You know, entrance exit also to the Kingston Airport. Can access those locations unless you pass through my community first. You know what I mean? So it's a well-known it's a well-known spot. Maybe too much people don't really stop by when they, leaving the airport. But we have a few um, we have a few places y'all could visit, when y'all leaving the airport, you know. KFC, McDonald's, well, no, not McDonald's, Burger King, you know, Pizza Hut. But we have also local restaurants that y'all can try local cuisines, local dishes, And I'm a pastry chef running a small baking business, you know. So y'all could contact me, probably taste some of my products, whatever is available at the time. But yeah, Harborview, nice community building up, as the time goes. Um, community kind of different than how it was when me growing up, a little different because I used to be all over, but you don't really see that anymore. People really stay inside now than out. Hear people complain about the sun and all that. Man, when we was younger, we didn't care about no sun. We outside in it, not caring, for real, just having fun, riding bicycles, you know, rollerblading, all of that. Going to the beach, going to sea. I'm gonna show y'all the sea when I get a chance. I go around there and fish more of the time, but it's a while since I've been around there because the water been rough. So I ain't get a chance to go there and catch a fish in months. I'm gonna need some fish too, Trying to start, know. Need some fish. It's been a minute. Been a minute I went out there and caught a fish. Been a minute I ate some good fish. Last time, the last fish I ate was, damn, I bought it from the supermarket, imported from Guyana. Man, it was the worst fish I ever had in my life, no lie. I ain't never gonna buy no imported fish again. If it ain't local, or I catch it myself, or buy it from a local fisherman, no go. No go, no go. But yeah, like I said, I'm a pastry chef, running a little small business, looking for it to get bigger, get more customers, I got a small amount of customers right now, but they support me, and that's blessing, I'm looking to expand, have more customers, so I can do more, because I got a little bit of customers, so I'll just do a little bit of stuff.